Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to write lowercase n and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write n, start halfway between the two lines, draw a line down, take it back up, around and down, like this. Now let's look at some words. N for notebook. N for nose. N for necklace. N for needle. And N for newspaper. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.